Sit right back and you'll hear a tale.
Okay, we're underway on our little cruise here. We're at sea here, so to speak. And
guys, are you okay?
we got our front here. We're moving right along here, going out to points unknown here. So eventually, we're gonna have a little aperitif to start out the trip here.
Want to try a little bit?
Sure, by all means. Here we've taken a bit of
little bit
this
sweet liquor made of pear.
Need this to get my mojo working here this morning here. All right. This is what we had here. All right. It's pretty good, pretty good. Good start to the trip here. All right, I'm at the bow of the ship here. We're still heading out here to somewhere, someplace here. We're going to be there, yeah. I'm on board here, going down. I got the sun in my eyes, can't be all bad. We had a little drink to start the trip off, so we're doing pretty good. Looking for subscribers, always looking for subscribers. And those that have subscribed, we always thank you very much for your patronage. We always appreciate it. All right, let's move on. We got a lot of stuff to see today, some griffins and some truffle hunting, and I don't know, maybe some other things too. Okay, bye-bye.
From here.
That's where we left.
Yeah, and we are right now, let's say here somewhere, right?
And we are going to...
And we're going this way, all the way to here, and then to this town called Bailey.
Okay.
And after we stop here, we go to the rescue center, right, to see the Griffon Vultures, to get to know more about them. And then to go back on the boat, and then we're gonna search this area for Griffon Vultures in nature.
Okay.
And then we'll follow the shore. Probably here we're gonna stop for a swim and for lunch, picnic lunch, and then we'll go back to Apatia.
Okay, sounds good. Looks like a nice trip.
Yeah.
Whole day. And truffle hunting is in here, right? Somewhere.
Truffle hunting is here in this area.
Oh, after.
So this is Istria. This
So-
is the largest peninsula in Croatia.
So we're doing truffle hunting this afternoon?
No, tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
So
Okay.
tomorrow we are leaving
Okay.
Apatia, and then we'll go to the northern part of
Okay.
Istria, and we'll do the truffle hunting there.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Getting a little closer to shore here. We're probably not too far away from making our stop to go see the Griffon Rescue Center. I don't see any. There's a dead carcass.
Up sitting on top of one of the boxes.
Somewhere. We're leaving Bali. Well, everybody's up on the top deck looking for griffins, but I'm just down here, just shooting the side in the shade, having my Croatian brewski here, because I don't have the big lenses to zoom in if you see a griffin. But look at these little crevices here, little grottos and different things right up on the rocks there. Look how blue that water is. Isn't that nice? That's really blue. You stand up here and get you a better shot of that. Look at that. How nice that water is. It's almost like you can almost see the bottom, but the bottom's probably pretty deep, so that's why you can't see it. And over close to the shore right there, where it's a little shallower, it's a little lighter color. So yeah, look at that. We've got a little crevice in there and everything. All these rocks that are over centuries that pieces have fallen off yet. So another little grotto or intersection over there. Guy going on his boat. We saw a griffin up there. I couldn't get it on the camera. It was way up there, so I couldn't see it, but everybody else did. But now we're moving around. We're getting the breeze on the boat now, so which is good. All right. Well, there is a griffin up there. You have to follow this rock, and he's sitting right up there. It's very hard to see. I have to zoom in quite a bit on this video to see it, but they say there is one up there. Yeah, it's another griffin. He's up there. I can't point because the boat's moving here, but he's up there at the top there. Well, I gotta hold on here so I don't fall overboard. But there's another one up there. I could see him with the naked eye. I could see his feathers moving. So I kind of lost him now that I turned away. But yeah, he's up there.
Oh, there's another one. Just above this clump of trees, the lowest clump of trees there.
Yeah, I'm looking. There's another one up there too.
Yeah, you see the other one? Right above this clump of trees? We have another one, yeah.
There's another one up there too, somewhere in there. But they're hard to see. I mean, I have my sunglasses on. All right, John, you did good.
Well done.
And we got Bronca out there too.
Did you dry your feet?
I hear ready. Here's the shoreline. We're very close to it. You can see the bottom there. You can see the bottom. There's a fish. There's a fish. There's a bunch of fish here. 3 or 4 fish. They're like blue. There's about a dozen fish.
Maybe a life jacket on you too. And
There's more fish coming.
I know you're
There you go. Give us a wave. All right, you made it. Yay.
Oh, Marilyn.
Okay.
It's nice and warm.
All right.
Oh, it's wonderful, Mom.
Now we got Matt going in. He's going in the water. All right, they're in there. Everybody's in.
See if we can get her down.
I'm going pretty much right back in though. Really nice. I'm gonna jump.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Ew! All right, here he goes. He's up. He's good. He's up. Okay. Yay! He did it. All right. All right, steering the boat up here, taking over. We're going to points unknown here. We're going to go on a little cruise here. They won't know where we're going, but we're heading out to sea here. Got the Captain Ed at the helm here. Oh, icebergs ahead. We gotta watch out here. We gotta turn. We gotta watch this. I think we're going to keel haul that girl over there because she's giving us a problem there. So keel haul that woman there. Yes, all right. Arr, 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 arr. Goodbye, my fans. Subscribe is always helpful. Thanks a lot. Ed signing off. Bye-bye. So this is our real captain here. He's the real one. Is doing a great job for us. Captain Davos.
David.
Davis. Davis. Okay, I got a picture of him on the wall there. I think so. All right. Let's see. He's gonna show us here. Ah, there he is. Yeah. Okay.
Well, actually, this is my father.
Oh, okay.
40 years ago. This is a logo of our company, family company.
Wow.
Now he's in retirement. Now
Yeah, you look like him with the beard too.
Yeah.
There.
Now he has the beard, but the gray.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.